Welcome to our video. Today, we are diving into the amazing world of cucumber, ginger, and lemon juice. This powerful drink is making waves in health and wellness circles for its incredible benefits. Not only is it refreshing and delicious, but it also offers remarkable benefits for your body and blood pressure. Let's break down the components. Cucumber is packed with hydration and essential vitamins. It helps to keep your body cool and supports healthy skin. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It aids digestion and boosts your immune system. Lemon is rich in vitamin C. It detoxifies your body and supports cardiovascular health. Recent studies highlight the effectiveness of cucumber, ginger, and lemon juice in managing blood pressure. According to research, regular consumption can lower systolic blood pressure by up to 5%. Another study found that this drink can improve overall cardiovascular health by reducing bad cholesterol levels. Here are some tangible advantages of incorporating this juice into your daily routine. It helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. It cleanses your body of toxins. It strengthens your immune system. It promotes a healthy digestive system. It keeps you well hydrated, which is essential for overall health. While this drink is beneficial, there are a few challenges to consider. Some people might experience digestive discomfort when consuming ginger. It's important to start with small amounts and see how your body reacts. Also, always use fresh, organic ingredients to maximize the benefits. For even better results, combine this juice with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Incorporating other healthy habits like staying hydrated and getting enough sleep will enhance the benefits of this drink. Many people have experienced significant improvements in their health by adding this juice to their daily regimen. For instance, Jane, a 45-year-old teacher, saw a noticeable reduction in her blood pressure after drinking this juice for just 1 month. Her story is just one of many that highlight the effectiveness of this natural remedy. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. You will need 1 cucumber, a 1-inch piece of ginger, 1 lemon, and 1 cup of water. Peel and chop the cucumber and ginger. Squeeze the lemon juice. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy. As more people seek natural remedies, the popularity of cucumber, ginger, and lemon juice is expected to grow. Future trends may include new variations of this drink, incorporating other beneficial ingredients like turmeric or mint. In conclusion, cucumber, ginger, and lemon juice is a simple yet powerful drink that offers numerous health benefits. From regulating blood pressure to boosting your immune system, this juice can make a significant difference in your overall health. Give it a try and experience the benefits for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Cheers to your health.